وتركنا بعضهم يومئذ يموج في بعض ونفخ في الصور فجمعناهم جمعا.
US-Israel war in Iran is a sign of Dajjal and the 7,000 Jews who rise from Isfahan, Iran. They will come out and head toward Mecca to confront Imam Mahdi. Allah will instruct the earth to swallow the 7,000 Jews, and Dajjal will run away towards Syria. And from there, Prophet Isa salam will kill Dajjal, and the world will return back to peace, inshallah. May Allah protect us from the evil of Dajjal.